What is going on, everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at two of the latest pieces of riding gear from NBT Clothing, and we are going to see just what all the hype's about. Let's go. All right, before we do get into today's video, if you're new around here and you do like this kind of content and you like other motorcycle content with music, maybe some vlogs, and just in general positive vibes, be sure to hit the subscribe, hit the like, the share, do the things that help me out as I'm building this channel. And if you are here from one of my other platforms, I appreciate you and thank you, and welcome to YouTube. Also, I do have to mention that I am sponsored by NBT. As some of you may already know, I do make ads and content with their merch to help them out. So I do have a stake in this video, but I will never not share my actual opinion on a product despite being paid for it. And they know that, they're cool with that. And luckily, I really like their gear, so it all kind of works out. I just needed you to understand that so that we're on the same page. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. For those of you that don't know, NBT was founded a few years ago by owner Nick Urso, and he and his team have grown the brand exponentially in a short amount of time with the goal of providing high quality motorcycle gear for the street that not only keeps you protected, but also looks great. And most importantly, doesn't look like motorcycle gear. Now, they have consistently improved the product despite getting heat and backlash very early on for not having certain certifications early with some of their products. But currently, they have all AA rated gear that, in my opinion, looks and it feels awesome. Today we're going to be taking a deeper look into both the License to Ride cargo pant and the Bodyguard hoodie, both brand new additions from NBT to the lineup, and they just so happen to be my favorite two pieces of gear. I wear them all the time. You'll see this in 90% of my content on any of my platforms. Starting with the LTR cargo pants, you can see right off the bat that these pants are heavy duty. The material itself has weight to them, but it's soft and flexible. My favorite part is that they are really comfortable still, and they don't look like motorcycle pants. Like I said, they don't look like you're stepping off the track. Now, they're AA rated, they're made with a ballistic tensile blend, and they are abrasion and slide resistant with the aramid lining. You also have the CE level 1 armor inserts in the knees and the hips, and as you can see in the center, inside they have a breathable mesh lining. Your legs don't feel like they're suffocating, right? You also have your utility pockets on each side, as well as the zipper itself being super heavy duty. Zipper, the button, etc. Now, these pants are a significant upgrade from the first edition, not only in the safety ratings, right, but also look and feel. Moving over to the Bodyguard hoodie, they made major improvements with this product, in my opinion. Of course, staying with the same theme, this is AA rated. It's rated for slide, it's rated for abrasion. It has the insert spots in not only the elbows and the shoulders, but also in the back as well. Super important. Now, the material itself is extra soft, way softer even than the first edition. It's constructed with a 3-layer poly and cotton blend, and still, just like the pants, that inner mesh lining for breathability, while still being fully lined with aramid. Super important. Now, as far as the utility upgrades, the major complaint was the drawstrings, which were always smacking into your helmet, into your visor while you were riding. Those are gone. They also added thumb loops to keep your sleeves from riding, as well as buttons in the back to keep it from riding up your back. Now, they even went a step further with this, and they added a waterproof pocket in the front with waterproof zippers. Not sure if we needed that, but that's pretty cool. You keep your phone in there, your keys, whatever. Again, just major improvements across the board. I'm wearing this and these pants every single time. Once again, this hoodie does not look like a piece of motorcycle gear, and that's what I love about it. Just in general, great additions to the lineup. Now, overall, both of these new additions are really home runs in my opinion. I wear both almost every single time I ride. I don't like to look like I'm stepping off the track, and having gear that just fits for street and kind of just makes you blend in is the best of both worlds. I think that having the peace of mind that it's protective as well is the most ideal. I'm not sure what more you could ask for in casual riding gear, just in general. And if you haven't checked out NBT, if you're still hung up on their old editions or whatever it might be, I think you're doing yourself a disservice. This stuff, once again, is comfortable, is protective. It's everything that we really want without getting into a tracksuit. I don't know. Try it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you're new around here and you like this kind of stuff, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be safe.